Tired of stale air, stress, and sleepless nights? These 5 indoor plants are more than just pretty. They're your secret to a healthier, happier home. Welcome back to More the Help, where we bring you natural health tips that truly work. Today, we're diving into 5 indoor plants every woman should own. Whether you're battling stress, dry skin, poor sleep, or just want cleaner air, these green companions have got your back. So grab a cup of tea, get cozy. But before that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips every day. And let's green up your space, one plant at a time. Plant number 1, snake plant. If you want a plant that purifies your air while you sleep, the snake plant is a must-have. Known as the bedroom plant, it releases oxygen at night. Unlike most plants that do the opposite, this improves air quality while you rest, potentially boosting your sleep quality and reducing allergies. Its tall, sword-like leaves are stunning and require very little care. Just place it in indirect light and water, once every 2 to 3 weeks. It also absorbs toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, common pollutants from furniture and cleaning products. Plant number 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a health superstar in plant form. Most people know it for its soothing gel, but having the actual plant at home offers daily benefits. It purifies air by removing harmful chemicals like benzene and formaldehyde, and it thrives in bright spots with minimal watering. What makes it even more special for women is its skin-boosting power. Got a burn, rash, or irritated skin? Just snap a leaf and use the fresh gel. It's a natural and anti-inflammatory and hydrator. Plus, aloe vera emits oxygen at night, improving air quality while you sleep. Plant number 3, peace lily. Elegant and soothing, the peace lily is one of the best natural air purifiers recognized by NASA. It removes toxins like ammonia, benzene, and formaldehyde, making it ideal for women who spend a lot of time indoors. Its white blossoms symbolize peace and harmony, perfect for stressful days. The peace lily also boosts indoor humidity by up to 5%, which helps prevent dry skin, irritated eyes, and respiratory issues. This is especially helpful if you use air conditioning or heaters often. It loves low to medium light and needs watering only once a week. Plant number 4, lavender. Lavender isn't just for perfumes and oils. It's a powerful indoor plant that helps calm the mind and body. Research shows that simply smelling lavender can reduce stress, lower heart rate, and even improve sleep quality. That's why it's a top pick for bedrooms, reading nooks, or your home office. This beautiful plant needs bright sunlight and good air circulation, so a sunny windowsill is perfect. Not only is it mood-enhancing, but it can also help keep insects like mosquitoes away, naturally. Plant number 5, spider plant. The spider plant is one of the easiest and most effective indoor plants for creating a healthier home. It's known for its ability to remove toxins such as carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and xylene, substances often found in paint, cleaning products, and furniture. This makes it a powerful detoxifier for the air, especially helpful for women who work from home, care for children, or spend a lot of time indoors. With its long, arching leaves and baby spiderettes, it adds a playful yet graceful touch to any space. It thrives in indirect light and only needs water once the top of the soil feels dry. Another benefit, it's completely non-toxic to pets and children. So there you have it, 5 powerful indoor plants every woman should own to create a cleaner, calmer, and healthier home. Which one will you bring home first? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips that really work. Until next time, take care of yourself and your space, because once you know, you can't unknow.